Hey guys, so if you watched my last video, you probably saw that I may have broken my mirror just slightly. That's one that why am I applying? So the only good news of this is that it didn't break, so I won't be having 7 years of bad luck, even though it feels like I've had 24 years of bad luck already, but you know what, that's besides the point. And today I was thinking, what challenge should I do? Because I kind of see my channel going more towards makeup challenges just because I'm challenged in makeup generally, so why not throw in an actual challenge in there? And I thought, why not do the no mirror challenge, because I am currently without mirror. So let's get to it. So I could leave this as a guessing game. Ooh, what foundation am I gonna use? But I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild. I like it, and also because it's the cheapest, considering I'm gonna be wiping all this off in approximately 1 hour. So let's try and save some dollar bills, save the trees, save the environment. Dip it in slightly. First thing I'm gonna do is my nose, because that's the part that I always forget even when I have a mirror. And then I'm gonna just focus on my critical areas, aka the areas that I currently have pimples on. Whoa, I've already used up quite a bit of this foundation. And so I feel like the trick to this part is gonna be knowing when to stop, which is kind of the trick to most things in life, like knowing when to stop, cleaning, knowing when to stop, drinking. There's a fine line between not blending enough and blending too much. And I know that I'm gonna have trouble finding that line in this video. And if you're seeing that my foundation is getting in my hair, like that's a regular here on this channel. Today we're gonna do something that we haven't done in a while. We're going to put an effort. And we're gonna do a full face of makeup. And when I say full face, I mean including neck, which is something that we don't do regularly on this channel. Today when I was getting ready, when I was getting ready for this video, I was thinking, I wonder how like famous YouTubers get ready for their videos. Like, do they have a ritual? Do they have something that they sing? Like, you know, when J-Lo does a concert before she like does the thing to like get her voice trained. Like, do YouTubers have something to do? Because I would love to know, considering that, you know, I'm currently not doing anything, and I'm wondering, hey, maybe because I'm not doing anything, maybe that's the reason I'm not getting much video viewage, if you know what I mean. Just gonna move on to concealer. I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty one. And guys, if you're one of the 2 people that watches my videos regularly, you'll know that these are the products that I usually use. But the Sephora sale is coming, so I will be purchasing some new products to test out, so don't you worry. There is good stuff coming. Just be patient. So a big plus of this video is that since I don't have a mirror, I'm sort of forced to make more eye contact with you guys, even though I kind of feel that I'm looking away for some parts of it, which is going to be great because we're going to be bonding more throughout it. And then just maybe you'll subscribe or, you know, give a like. We're not picky, just, you know, do something, just do anything but click exit. Like, that's the only thing that we frown upon in this channel, is clicking exit while Monica's talking. Even though I'm sure that if I was you, I'd probably be clicking exit as well, but that's neither here or there. For now, I'm just gonna skip to contour right away. This part of the video, we're just gonna be feeling it out. This concealer, I kind of feel like works better if you put it on the sponge, but I'm in the mood for just putting it directly on my face and just feeling where I'll put it. Hopefully I won't mistake my bumps for like, well, my pimple bumps for like things that I should be contouring. Okay. Oh, I feel like that's a lot of product. Like, I'm feeling it and it's warming up quite nicely. Guess who's not going to be able to blend this? My nose. This side. One of these sides is more like leaning than the other. I feel like it's my left side, so I should have done that one twice and not the right side. So while I'm trying to blend out this amazing contour, I just want to say, like, how are you guys doing? And, you know, thank you for clicking on this video. And if you already made it this far, thank you, because you're contributing to my minutes watched, which is not that many minutes. So I appreciate you and all that you're doing for me right now. My day has been productive, I would say, but I'm also like keeping in mind that like I should have had an Amazon package delivered today and didn't come. And then I looked into it and it says, please contact your shipping company. And it's a company that is known to like not deliver packages. Like, they just tell you, oh, you have the incorrect address. It's happened to a few of my friends in this area, so I'm trying to accept that I may not be receiving my Christmas scent smokes. Whoa. Not smokes. Don't know where that came from. Soaps. Christmas scent soaps in time. But it's okay because we still have our health, and at the end of the day, even if you're not getting views on YouTube, even if you're failing in school, not doing well at your job, what matters is health, love, family, and all that fun stuff. So that's the first thing you gotta get in order. I feel like this should be blended in, but I also have a feeling that it's not blended in, so I was gonna use a powder blush, but I'm like, powder blush is too easy. Like, it just blends into your skin right away usually. I want to make it difficult for myself, as if doing my makeup already wasn't difficult, even with a mirror, but you know, another day, another story for you guys. I have a question as well. I'm looking at my glass straws and I'm thinking, I have to wash those. Why do I not see anybody talking about the pain that comes with washing straws? Like, I don't care if it's glass straws, metal straws. Like, is that something that we should be putting into the dishwasher, which is why nobody's talking about it? Or am I missing something because I'm washing them by hand and it's getting like rather annoying? Je ne sais pas. Just sitting here thinking what to do next. I have some powder ready, so I think that we're gonna powder, and if you hear any noise, that's just me slapping my thigh because that's something that I do. When I was younger, one of my favorite things was powder because it like saved my makeup look for like the entire day. And why is nothing coming out? I feel like this Hourglass powder is cool, but like if they made it come out easier, that would be great. Come out easier. I feel like that should be something generally in life that's easier, but you know. Another video. Ooh. And I'm always scared to like inhale powder. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like when it's just getting everywhere, I'm just like, hold your breath. Do not breathe it in. Getting back to what I was saying. When I was younger, I would just powder the shit out of my face. Like, I would put so much powder on, like you couldn't see nothing. But then I started using retinol. And when I say using, I mean overusing. So my face is actually like kind of dry right now. So I'm just going to powder the oily areas and then just sort of lightly sprinkle the rest of the areas in my face with some powder, just so we don't. Whew, do you guys see that smoke? I swear I'm not smoking, and it's only this lid and my brush. And we're just gonna powder that in, set it, just, you know, lightly dust it as if you're dusting your cabinets, just very lightly. You don't want to scratch the wood grain. And of course I got it on myself, which is why I don't wear nice things when filming. But side note, does anybody like my shirt? It has a little kitty on it. Which, if I'm gonna be honest, I didn't plan on wearing the shirt today. If I had planned on wearing it, I probably would have, you know, ironed it, made myself look presentable for this video, at least a little bit, but I did not. For highlight, we're going to be going in with the Amrezy. I'm just gonna get a lot on there because it's that kind of day. Like, I need to lighten my day up. I don't care how I do it, just, you know, make me feel not bad about myself today. Boop, 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 boop. And also, I should warn you guys, there's gonna be a couple surprises coming in the next few videos. I have some things planned up I have some things under my sleeve that you will be seeing shortly, and they're gonna involve me being true to myself, which I don't know about y'all, but I am not very true to myself. And I'm actually going to be testing out a new product in this video. It's going to be the Marc Jacobs blush in Tantastic. Love the packaging. I got it when it was on sale. So beautiful. I didn't look into the mirror. Don't worry, guys. I am not a cheater. I like to work my way to the top. And by top, I mean the very bottom of YouTube. I thought it smelled, but it doesn't smell. It's probably the last bronzer that I used on my brush that's having a smell. Oh my, did I forget to do my neck? Whew, I dropped it, but it was so big that I caught it. I actually don't remember if I put foundation on my neck. I'm just gonna take a light dusting of powder just in case I did that. We don't have any missing spots, and you guys can see all my neck wrinkles and see my true age. 34. I'm just kidding. It's 24, but I know my neck looks like 34, so moving on. Just gonna lightly try and get rid of the double chin that I noticed 2 videos ago that I had. I kind of wish that I had somewhere to wear it to. Like with the Sephora sale coming up, usually I spend a, you know, nice amount, but this time I'm just thinking like, I feel like all my makeup is expiring, which I'm kind of thankful to be doing these videos because at least I'm using something, because if not, it would all just go to waste. Now I'm gonna be doing an eyeshadow look, and I'm gonna make it risque. So, ooh, I was gonna say we're gonna go in with the transition shade, this one here, but you know what? We're not. We're gonna dive in to the 3rd shade. I'm trying to look at the other eyeshadows that I have here, and I'm not feeling very inspired by any of... Why is that so loud? Waking up my whole house. It's like that time when I dropped a mirror in the middle of the night. That's why I should not be allowed with loud things. I kind of feel like I want to go colorful on my bottom eyelash, so I want to keep it like slightly toned down on the rest of it, but I also kind of don't. But when it comes to matching colors, I'm not very good, so I don't... Guys, I'm gonna put this down because how did I forget to do my brows? We're gonna do them right now. Okay. Watch. Okay, I feel hair, so that's a good thing. Watch my brows look the best that they've ever looked. I need my brow brush. Oops. Oh no, I'm gonna have to bend down to get that. And then the bottom of it. Guys, this could be like a learning experience. Like, you have to really learn your face for this video. I'm not mad at it. I actually encourage all of you to do it and to see your outcome. And now I'm trying to fill it in. So much eye contact. I'm usually not an eye contact person. I don't know why. Why am I suddenly feeling confident? Now that I'm like doing my brows, I'm kind of feeling it. I don't want my brows to be too arched, and I don't want them to be too lower down. I want them to be like up and lifted, which are not the brows that I was born with, unfortunately. I would have loved some bomb ass brows, but you know what? That's not the brows that I was given. So I'm gonna try and lift the what I dropped was my brow gel, and I'm gonna try and lift it with my feet. And we're gonna do our best because I ain't trying to bend over. Okay, my chair slightly made a noise. We're gonna pretend like it's okay and that it wasn't embarrassing. I'm gonna be using the Gimme Brow by Benefit. Browtastic. If my brows are messy, I'm actually gonna be a little bit annoyed because I feel like I put an effort with them. Actually, we're not gonna be doing eyes just yet. I just feel like eyes are the most annoying part of the video, that like I just want to get my lips done because I feel like I'm licking my lips again, which is, and I'm looking for a mirror like as if it's down here that I can just lift it up, but it's not. So we're just gonna go right in, and I'm gonna try and make them a little bit plumper as well, because who doesn't love a fat lip that looks like you just got punched right in the face and you're all swollen? Because I feel like that's what most people are vying for right now. Watch this be the best lip job that I ever did, and it's when I'm not even looking into the mirror. I swear guys, I feel like this video is going to inspire us to not be looking. Oh, I definitely messed that up. I can feel it. It's going to inspire us like not constantly be looking into the mirror and just like take our makeup and just feel our way out of it, you know? My lips feel dry, but that's okay because we're going to pop some of the lip gloss on there. I need to get a proper desk for doing this video because, oh my god, did I not bring my lip gloss? I brought it. If it fell, it fell. 1 second. Oh, don't know if I should fast forward that or if you guys should see how long it actually took me to get up from that position, because that's kind of embarrassing. And it's probably another reason why I should start working out, because I just sit in a chair all day, and then once I'm done, I'm so exhausted from work that I just go lay down in my bed. But you know, this is the cab gloss. God, this is my boxy as well. Smells delicious. Like, it's motivating me to go bake right now, and not just bake my face, but like actually bake food, which is amazing. Oh, that's a lot. Am I the only one that feels a lot of product on her lips and like just gets like roast out? Trying to spread it. Just gonna. Wow. And it's right in the middle too. Like, I couldn't have picked a color. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's a rather dark color. There's a lot of songs going on in my head right now that I'm trying like not sing. In the hopes that maybe one day, like 5 years from now, I'll be monetized, and then I'll be getting copyright strikes, because for now I feel like I can just play anything and nobody cares about me. Except my mom and my best friend, which are the people watching these videos, and maybe like 2 robots. So thank you, all of you. I appreciate your support. Hopefully one day I'll be able to say that you believed in something and that all your support didn't go to waste. Mascara, and make us on our way. Thank you everybody for watching. It was a pleasure having you watch me. I really hope you watch me soon. I don't know if anybody else has something to say. No, we're good. All the ghosts in my room appear to be agreeing with me, since they're not having any rebuttals or adding anything, so I think